welcome back traders to another pre-analysis for the upcoming week. We are going to be having 3 analyses. The first one will be on gold, and as you all know, if you are not on the VIP group, you should check out the video description. You get more details about it. We drop daily signal on gold, pound JPY, Bitcoin USD, and other top currencies. So it's a paid membership group. If you want to be part of that, check out the video description, chat me up, you get added to the group. So let's get on with the analysis. We are currently on gold. We're on the 1 hour time frame, and this was the support level we have drawn in the market. We identify this as a strong support level because we identify multiple week rejection whenever price gets back down to that level. On multiple occasions, once price gets to the level, price turn bullish again. So once we identify this as our strong support level in the market, what we did last week was we mark out the level and we expected price to bounce back up at the level, and that was exactly what price did. Once price got to the level and we start identifying weak rejection, we got 2 week rejection, 1 hour weak rejection, and this was the level where we bought the market. After the buys, you can see the market fly up as we expected, and our stop loss was below the key level for a continuation up. So we are currently in the trade, we are in profit. Price is almost at our TP level, which is this level here. So we expect price to hit our TP once the market opens. So for the pre-analysis, for those of you that do not get into the buy, this is what we expect price to do once the market opens. We expect price to retest some of this level. This is another level that was broken, so we expect price to retest that level. So if you are not currently in this buy we have taken last week, wait for price to pull back to this level, because that's how the market moves. After a strong push phase like this, price is likely to pull back to this last level it has broken. This is the last lower high that was broken, so we expect price to retest that level before we get a continuation. Let me illustrate something like this with an arrow so that you guys will understand it better. We expect price to pull back, so always wait for the pullback to happen. Even though the trend is up, you don't just get into a buy anywhere. There are certain things you need to put into consideration before taking a buy. So wait for price to pull back. Let me clear out some of this so that the chart will look more pronounced. Alright, so this is what we expect. We expect price, once the market opens, we expect the next candle to be bearish, to pull back, to retest this level, and this is where we take the buy here for a continuation back up to some of these highs here. So wait for the pullback to happen, take the buy here, stop loss below the last candle, which is this candle. This is where your stop loss will be for a continuation up. Remember, we are only trading with the trend. The trend is up, so we are only focusing on buys. We are not trading against the trend. All we are waiting for is for buying opportunities. So wait for the pullback before we get into the buy for a continuation up. So that's the pre-analysis for gold. We are only looking for buys. So as I said, if you want to be part of our VIP signal group, check out the video description. There's a WhatsApp and a Telegram link. Chat me up, you get added to the group. It's a paid membership group, but don't miss out on this. We drop high probability daily signal on gold, pound JPY, Bitcoin USD, and US oil, and other top currencies. So check out the video description and you get more details about it. So let's get on to the next analysis, which is on pound JPY. Pound JPY. Wait. So on pound JPY, we are currently on the 1 hour time frame. Remember, always start your analysis from the 4 hour time frame so that you can mark out your key levels and identify the overall trend of the market. On this occasion, as you all know, the trend is clearly up. Price is making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher lows, higher high. So price currently pulled back to a level which is a retest level. This is the new higher low that was formed, so we expect the new higher high to be formed because that's how an uptrend moves. So we are going to scale down to the 1 hour time frame, see what's happening there. So this is what happened last week. After the new higher low was formed, we took the buy around this level. We took it live on the live. If you are not currently on my community, you will know this. We took the buy here, placed our stop loss below the key level for a continuation up. So because we identified that the trend was up and this was a pullback, so after the pullback we took the buy and placed our stop loss below the key level. This is where your safest stop loss will be. So if you are not currently in the buy already, this is a good opportunity for you to still take the buy. So when the market opens, wait and identify, at least get two 30-minute weak rejection. Once we get at least 2 week rejection, then this is the only time we buy the market and place our stop loss below the key level. Because what happens with pound JPY after the weekend is sometimes we have slippages. Price might jump. Price will move. If you have been trading for a while, you will know what a slippage is. So price jumps certain level, and so but if we don't have a slippage, it's a good buying opportunity because the trend is up. Take the buy, place your stop loss below the key level for a continuation up, because we're only looking for buys. The trend is up, we're only trading with the trend, not against it. So just a quick summary: once you get a 30-minute weak rejection around the level, when the market opens, buy at the level, place your stop loss below the key level for a continuation up. The trend is up. So that's the analysis for pound JPY. So far we have covered gold, pound JPY, and the last will be on US oil. So on US oil, as you know, we are going to start the analysis from the 4 hour time frame, and our chart is somehow messy, so let's scale down to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, using our previous notes, we have already marked out our supports and our resistance level. And if you don't know what the support and resistance level means, the support level means this is where buyers are sitting. This is where the big institutions and banks are sitting, are setting their buy orders. So once the market gets down to that level, their orders get triggered and price fly up. The same thing applies with the resistance level. It's called the liquidity zone. So this is what the liquidity zone is. This is where the big institutions set their selling or buying orders. So currently the market is ranging. Price is tapping the support and resistance level and not making a clean trend up or down. So this is a consolidating market, this is a ranging market. And I'm not a big fan of trading the range, but if you want to trade the ranging market, the rule of thumb is to sell at the top and buy at the bottom. So this is a good selling opportunity. We identify 3 week rejection around the level. So this is a good selling opportunity as long as your stop loss is above the resistance level, which is this level here. So you sell at the level, your stop loss here for a continuation down. Because currently the market is ranging, the market is not showing us any clean directional bias. So we'll keep selling here and buying at the resistance level. So that's how we trade the ranging market. So that's the pre-analysis for the week. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below, and see you next time.